You guys, I did a quick haul on Amazon, so I have more things that I purchased in there. I'll do a separate video on those, but I just wanted to open this with you guys. This is my first time getting this type of sticker from anywhere, so I ordered it from Amazon, and I want to take a first look at it with you guys. But I don't recall how many pages are in each of these, and I obviously cannot read this, so I don't know how many stickers are in each of these. But I would say maybe 50 in each. Well, I do see number 50. So maybe there's 50 in each. Okay. But I wanted to take a look at this, and I want to do some more of these type of stickers in my bullet journaling. Let's do a quick review of this. I'm gonna do it this way. Probably be easier. What is that, a deer? So this is more of the purple themes here. So definitely gave everything the same purple tone. So I think that obviously this entire sticker book will go well together, and if you have matching purple, black, pink types of washi, they could go well together as well. I don't know how to flip through this in a better way. Oh, love those palm trees. And I saw several of these books, and I thought the images on this one were the best, and I think I'm going to have to select one of these at the end, and we'll put it on a piece of paper and see how it looks, because again, I don't know if it's washi consistency. I don't know what it is like on a piece of paper. All right. The rest maybe I'll add to music, and I'll just go ahead and show you the rest of these. I did a quick review of all of these. Now it won't stay down, but let's see really quickly if it is a similar size to my Happy Planner. Classic size, that is. So this is another project I'm going to do actually I'm actually cutting out a lot of my extra paper, and I'm going to make a similar journal like this one, a sticker book, actually just I'm going to use like bookbinding glue here, and I'm going to make a similar pad to this so that I can have this in the future when I want to make my own. I've been cutting out these images, so stay subscribed if you want to go ahead and see how I'm going to do that. All right, so again, I just have these images that I cut out from magazines that I was throwing away, which sadly was magazines I've had for almost a decade. But finally decided to go ahead and throw those out, and I am going ahead and going to go see if this one is similar to the page size of these. Let's see. All right. Oh my goodness, it may be the exact same size. You guys, it is pretty close. It's maybe a little bit bigger, but I think the length might be a little bit shorter, but it is pretty close, y'all. I'm pretty close. Well, that's pretty good. Well, again, after I make my little book here, I will also go ahead and test it out in a Happy Planner for you guys. So stick around and stay subscribed if you want to see that, and I will try to get that up very shortly. All right, well, let's see what it looks like when I lay down one of these stickers. If you guys didn't see my June very easy plan with me, go ahead and check that out. It was super simple. If you just love coloring, you can totally do this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and write in, did a few more weeks, but I'm gonna go ahead and put one in here. I like to spend some time to do some journaling in the mornings where I get up early enough. So I'm gonna just dedicate this page to doing some journaling in the morning, and I'll put some of these stickers down to do the decoration. So I think I'm gonna use something in the brown sticker book just to get with a little bit of the neutral vibes, and I picked some neutral washi tape here and see what the sticker looks like. Let's see which one I want to use for this one. I'll probably go ahead and pick 2 just so I can layer it a bit. And then I will have spot for actually, I don't even know if I need to pull these out. If I don't pull them out, then I can put other stickers in there, and that would be so cute. All right, let's see what the sticker looks like. All right, so it is very thin, washi-like sticker. So yeah, I didn't have to pull this out. I guess I could just use this. Let's go ahead and put that down, and so you guys can see what it would look like. I'll put that down. It's super cute. And let's pick one more. And this time I will keep I will see if I can pull it out or pull the sticker off from the book itself. Little cat in the morning waking up with you. Let's do that one. So yes, I can definitely pull it out from the sticker book itself. And there you go. Then you end up having this little sheet that you could save, and then these little things could become mini sticker books that you carry around for your leftover stickers, that is. All right, let's see how we want to layer this. I'll put that there for now, but I'm not sure. This one is very difficult to rip. I'm gonna have to do the fake tear here. There we go. Do another little one here. And I want to add in some more layers on here. Again, I think with this tape, it's actually pretty sturdy, so you have to begin the rip a little bit before you can actually end up really ripping it, let's say. And maybe we'll go all the way to the edge of this and just cut it. Oh, you guys can't see that. Okay, you guys can't see that, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off here. Alright, it's already giving me some nice relaxed vibes, especially with this cat here laying in the bed. Super cute. Wondering if I should go ahead and add one more tape. These are a little bit too geometric. I might see if I have something else. I have one of these that have, these are a little bit more florals. I have that. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can use this one. Too much. It's cute. Let me go ahead and cover that a bit. I am liking it. It's going to make me definitely want to use and write in this in the morning. So let me just go in a little bit and add more. All right, guys, I have to take a short break real quick. My daughter, 10-year-old daughter, just baked a cake. And so I am going to have to take a quick break and eat this fresh cake she made for me. She made this little plate for me. That is so sweet. All right, intermission. We'll be right back. All right, so there we go. I am going to obviously go ahead and write kind of my thoughts for the morning, and then I always like to just end with why today will be a good day. All right, well, this is what the stickers look like inside of a pretty white bullet journal. All right, until next time, like and comment, and I'll see you later.